This will be a quick training video on how to create smart news editions for use in the newsletters. From the dashboard, click on Smart News, Add New. Give it a name, July edition. Some text here for what the edition is about. An issue date, if required. Adding in the blog posts that you've created. You can sort the orders out by drag-dropping them around as well. Choosing a featured image for the edition. You can either upload one, or you can choose something from the existing media library. So I'm just going to choose something at random. Once you're happy with it, you can go on ahead either saving it as a draft or publishing it to make it live. For the minute, I'm just going to save it as a draft. To view it, I'm just going to click on View Smart News up the top. And from here, I can see what this will look like before I send it off. And that's it.